Okay, I'm doing another video. Now this is a Hot Wheels, it's called the Stunt Bridge Kit. This is really cool, okay? And I got these at a great price. They're retailing for $49 on eBay, I think. But you also, I'm putting in a free 5-pack. So you're gonna get this, but you're getting a 5-pack free, okay? So check out my eBay site for my pricing. But basically you get 70 pieces, track builders, you get this bridge that goes up and down. We set it up at Christmas. Plus you get the Mattel kind of like Legos you can add to it, but you basically get a ton of product. I mean, this thing is just filled with track. You get lots of track, all the parts to build the bridge unit that goes up and down. And it's all, you just put it right together. It snaps together. All the parts comes with the Legos. You get everything. So this is what you're getting in the kit. I know the picture doesn't show enough. That's why I'm doing these videos for everything I sell on eBay. And this is item number DWW97 Stunt Bridge Kit. This thing sold for $49 at Sam's Club. And my prices are lower than Sam's Club because I give you a free 5-pack assorted. Now you get assorted. You're not going to get this one, but you're going to get an assorted. You're basically getting 5 free Hot Wheels for my price on eBay. It's phenomenal. Hot Wheels. You can motorize it, make it jump across the bridge. 70 pieces of track. Just everything you need. Okay, this is sweet. If you don't have one of these, look at this thing. Kids jump, the car jumps across and kind of goes down. Sweet. Check us out on eBay. Pro Tinker is my site. Pro Tinker.